This is Sean with Shades Austin, and I'd like to talk to you about retractable patio awnings. The manufacturer is Rainier, and benefits to a patio awning are if you have a large patio and you don't have a roof already over it, you don't want to build a permanent structure and shade the house permanently and shade your patio, or you don't have the right lighting, you can do a retractable awning. It allows you to, when the sun is bad overhead, extend that awning out, keep shade on the patio, keep shade over your pool, but at the same time it's not there permanently. So at nighttime, if you want to look up at the stars or whatnot, or if it's just not hot and sunny out and you want that natural light, you can retract that awning and allow yourself to have all that natural light in that open patio. Another benefit is you're getting the overhead protection, you're cooling your surface area, and you don't have to worry about running a shade up or down, to get out. It's overhead only, so you can still be out there entertaining while stopping the sunlight and the heat and whatnot with the awnings.